If you want to zoom in on a CapCut template, this video will walk you through it step by step, in the simplest way possible. Whether you're editing a photo, a video clip, or a template project that you want to personalize, zooming in is one of the easiest ways to make your visuals more dynamic and focused. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more quick CapCut tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump straight in. First, open CapCut on your computer. Make sure you're using the desktop version so you can easily access the timeline and editing controls. Once CapCut is open, load the template you want to edit. This could be a project you already saved, or a template you're currently working on and want to customize. After your template opens, look at the timeline at the bottom and click on the clip or photo you want to zoom in on. This part is important because the changes only apply to the selected media item. If you click the wrong clip, you might end up adjusting the wrong section, so take a second to make sure the correct layer is highlighted. Once the clip is selected, look over to the right panel and go to the Video tab. This is where CapCut keeps most of the visual editing settings for your clip. Under the Video settings, find the Basic section. Inside Basic, you'll see the Scale option. This is the setting that controls how large or small your clip appears on screen. To zoom in, simply increase the scale value. As you raise the number, the clip will get bigger and the image or subject will move closer into view. You can usually adjust this by dragging the slider or entering a higher value manually, depending on your version of CapCut. Start small and preview the result as you go, because even a slight increase can make a big difference. If you want a clean zoom effect, try increasing the scale gradually instead of jumping too high all at once. That gives you more control and helps keep the framing looking natural. For example, if the clip starts at 100, you might move it to 110, 120, or higher depending on how much zoom you need. Keep watching the preview window so you can see exactly how the shot looks. If the zoom makes the clip go off-center, don't worry, you can reposition the clip to keep the most important part in frame. That way, your subject stays visible and the zoom looks intentional rather than accidental. This is especially useful for template edits, face close-ups, and aesthetic transitions. Once you're happy with the zoom level, play the template back and double-check the motion and framing. If it looks good, you're done. That's all it takes to zoom in on a CapCut template using the scale setting in the basic video controls. Simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, editing tricks, and quick how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.